Life wasn't always easy for Professor Buddy. He faced difficult challenges before finding success. Over time, he learned how to lead. People began listening to his ideas and vision.
Hello, viewers. Today, I'm bringing you another highly profitable niche in the finance category. Take a look at these videos. I created them with just one click using 100% free AI tools. The results are absolutely amazing. Without wasting any time, let's head over to YouTube. We're going to search for a channel called Crayon Capital. Viewers, this channel is extremely impressive. It has over 216,000 subscribers with only 22 uploaded videos. That's a remarkable achievement. Now the big question, is this channel monetized? Yes, it is. Based on available estimates, this channel is generating thousands of dollars per month, making it a great example of the earning potential in the finance niche. Let me show you another source for revenue estimates. I'll copy the channel link and check it on Social Blade. As you can see, the estimated earnings range from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars, demonstrating just how powerful this niche can be when done correctly. Now, let's go back to the channel and take a look at its most popular videos. You can see that some of these videos have reached millions of views. One video has over 4 million views. Another has over 2 million views. And several others have also performed exceptionally well. Take a moment to analyze these videos carefully. They are all based on finance-related topics, but each one approaches the niche from a unique angle. That's one of the biggest reasons behind the channel's success. Another important point is that the finance niche typically has a very high RPM, which means creators can earn significantly more revenue compared to many other niches. Now that you've seen the channel and its content strategy, let's move on to the most exciting part, the master prompt. I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you, and you'll find it in the video description. Inside this prompt, you'll get everything you need: story structure, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover scripts, complete scene planning. All you have to do is copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click generate. Within seconds, you'll receive a complete content package, including Scene 1, image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover scene 2, image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover scene 3, 4, 5, and so on up to scene 10. What makes this system even better is that you can customize the story however you like. Simply edit the story section inside the master prompt, and the AI will generate a completely new set of scenes based on your idea. I recommend saving the master prompt in a document file so you can reuse it whenever you want to create new content. Now, let's move on to the image generation section and see how all of these scenes come to life with stunning AI-generated visuals. Let's get started. All right, viewers. Now it's time to generate our images. For this step, we'll move over to Google Gemini. Gemini is an excellent free option that can produce incredibly high-quality results. First, I'll copy my image prompt and paste it into Gemini. Since I want my images in a cinematic YouTube format, I'll simply add 16:9 aspect ratio to the prompt before generating. Now, let's click Generate. As you can see, the first image has already started generating. We'll give it a few moments because Gemini's rendering quality is truly impressive. And boom! Take a look at this result, viewers. The image quality is outstanding. The level of detail, lighting, and composition looks incredibly professional. Now let's move on to scene 2. I'll copy the second scene prompt, paste it into Gemini, add the 16:9 ratio instruction again, and click Generate. As you can see, the second image is already being created. The process is fast and usually takes less than a minute. And there we go. The second image is ready, and once again the result looks fantastic. Let's continue with scene 3. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it into Gemini, and generate another image. After a short wait, boom! Scene 3 is now ready as well. Just look at these results. All 3 images perfectly match the story. Now let's continue with scene 4. I'll paste the prompt, click Generate, and wait a few moments. And as you can see, scene 4 looks absolutely amazing. The quality remains consistent, and the visuals continue to follow the storyline perfectly. Next, let's generate scene 5. Once again, I'll copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate. After a brief wait, the result is ready. Now, viewers, let me show you the first 5 completed images. Take a look at them one by one. Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, Image 4, and Image 5. All 5 images look fantastic. The quality is impressive, the character remains consistent, and every scene accurately represents the story. Now I'll continue generating the remaining scenes. I'll paste Scene 6, Scene 7, and Scene 8 prompts and generate them using the exact same process. And just like that, I've generated 7 to 8 complete scenes. Now let's review all of the final images together. As you can see, the quality is absolutely amazing. The character consistency is maintained throughout every scene, the storytelling is visually clear, and the results closely follow the original prompts. This is one of the reasons why Gemini is such a powerful option for AI image generation. It's fast, easy to use, and delivers impressive results completely. Now I'll simply download all of these images one by one, because the next step is where the magic really happens. After downloading the images, I'll take you to another 100% free AI tool where we'll transform these static images into fully animated videos. Alright viewers, now it's time to turn our images into videos. For this step, we'll use Flow AI, which is an amazing AI video generation tool. Let's get first, I'll open Flow AI and navigate to the video generation section. Next, I'll select VO 3.1 Lite as my video model. Now I'll upload the 5 images that we generated earlier. As you can see, all 5 images have been uploaded successfully. Let's start with the first image. I'll select the image, enter my video prompt, and click the Generate button. You can see that the video generation process has started, and boom! The first video is now ready. Take a look at this result, viewers. The animation is smooth, the motion looks natural, and the overall quality is absolutely fantastic. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll select it, add the prompt, and click Generate once again. After a short wait, boom! Our second video is ready as well. Just look at the quality. The movements, visual effects, and overall presentation are incredibly impressive. The AI has done an excellent job transforming a static image into a dynamic scene. Now let's continue with the third, fourth, and last image. I'll repeat the same process by adding the prompt and generating the video. Boom, viewers. All 5 videos are now ready. Let's take a look at the final results. The animations are smooth, the visual quality is excellent, the character consistency is maintained throughout the story, and every scene looks professional and engaging. Honestly, the results speak for themselves. Flow AI is a powerful tool for creating AI-generated videos, and as you can see, the quality is outstanding. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and discovered a valuable finance niche idea that you can use for your own channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support our work. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, stay creative, stay consistent, and keep building. Goodbye, everyone.